Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely beautiful BMW F800GT. Here we have a BMW F800GT. This is a 2017 bike on a 67 plate with just 12,310 miles, 3 owners from new and a full service history, including a recent service in September of 2023. So this bike is in great condition. It comes in the matte blue, which is a lovely colour on this model. We do have the panniers for this bike. I've taken them off of the video so you can see the condition of the bike underneath, but if you want to see them in more detail, please have a look at motorcyclesuk.co.uk, where you'll find a host of high-res images, including the panniers. So all the bodywork there in excellent order. Foot pegs in great condition as well. Your single-sided swing arm there, all in great order. And of course belt drive, low maintenance, so no chain oil flinging about the place. A really great thing to have on this bike. The wheel itself, all in excellent condition. No dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches, and a recently added rear tyre there by the looks of it. You've got the rear shock in there, which is in great condition. No corrosion on the bike at all. It's in fantastic order. Got the centre stand there as well. There's all your engine, no paint flaking off there at all. All the bodywork on the bike in fantastic order, apart from a very small crack there, where it looks like somebody's walked into the indicator. It doesn't take anything at all to create a little crack there, because all you've got to do is walk into it and it will make a mark on the fairing. The mirror, generally quite good condition, some light marks of course. You might expect that, some sort of garage rash as we call it. Bar ends though in great order, and the lever all absolutely fine. Petrol tank, fantastic condition, and the rest of the bodywork, as I say, in superb order. The front of the bike, that's in good condition as well. There's no stone chips in the screen or cracks or scratches. Likewise, the front of the fairing there, all in good condition. Front mud guard again, great condition, no stone chips. The forks all in good order as well. And that sort of black finish there, as you can see. The front wheel, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches, and loads of life left in that front tyre. The left-hand side of the bike, that's in good condition as well. Say a couple of very light marks on the mirror there. Again, looks like somebody's walked past it with a belt or something. That one, it's so light. And then the levers and bar ends on this side are absolutely superb. All the bodywork here in great condition. The fairing on this left-hand side in good order, with no cracks or scratches at all. The front wheel there, again on this left-hand side, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches. And of course, anti-lock brakes on this lightweight tourer. If you are looking for a commuter bike or a lightweight touring bike, then this does take some beating. It's a fantastically practical machine with those panniers and that belt drive. There's your rear wheel, no marks, dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches on that one either. And you've got that rear rack as well. So if you wanted to add the top box, that's something you could look at doing later on. There's no rips or tears in the seat, and the petrol tank on top of there, all in excellent order. A mix of analog and digital dials and clocks there. Of course, you've got heated grips as well on this bike, just adding to that practicality. So if you are looking for a great value lightweight tourer, then please look no further than this absolutely beautiful BMW F800GT. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BMW, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.